How to save CapCut video in Gallery in just a few easy steps. To save your edited video from CapCut to your device's gallery, it's pretty simple. First, launch the CapCut app on your smartphone. If you're starting fresh, create a new project by tapping on New Project and adding your video clips. If you already have a project you want to save, just select it from your list of projects. Once you've made all your edits and are happy with how your video looks, it's time to save it. Tap the arrow icon at the top right corner to bring up the export options. You'll have a chance to adjust the video settings like resolution and frame rate, so pick what works best for you. Remember that higher quality means a larger file size. After you've set your preferences, hit the export button, usually represented by an upward arrow, and wait for CapCut to process and save your video. Once that's done, exit CapCut and check your device's gallery or Photos app, and you'll find your saved video there, ready to share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.